Shaun's been waiting all day for
Oh,
this.
shut up! No, I haven't.
You have.
No, I haven't. I've also worked a long shift at work, so I can have today off. But shh.
Yes.
Okay, so I never thought I'd say this. This is the iPhone 12 Pro unboxing.
I'm not saying anything.
Yeah, please don't.
Apart
Okay.
from the fact there really should be a charger, but you know.
Right, here we go.
I'm not saying anything.
No. Right, so I've got the gold. He's saying that they need to do those gold.
Me and my mum and a few of my work colleagues say it's rose gold. We shall see.
We shall see, but it's not. Okay.
Just don't drop it.
I'm not going to drop it. Gold. It's not rose gold! It's not rose gold. It's gold. Tell me what you think. You probably can't see on the camera, it's too bright. But it's
Yeah, you've
definitely
got a
not.
gigantic light next to it.
I'll put a picture up. Okay. So I'll quickly go through the box. Because I know what you're going to say. And we came on by now.
It is true, because it takes about half an hour to load them on. More like half an hour, but
Too late. Okay. Right, well that's turning on. This is going to be a very quick unboxing because we don't get a charger and we don't get headphones. Personally, it doesn't bother me.
the headphones I can understand. 'Cause
Yeah.
no one really uses them, but
Personally, it doesn't bother me. The only, well, it kind of does bother me, but it doesn't bother me, if that makes sense. The only problem is I don't have many lightning cables because the only thing that is lightning is my AirPods. So this is USB-C to lightning cable. And I'm not going to go through the box. There's 100 other things on the unboxings of this phone, so I'm not going to go through that. You get one Apple sticker, but that's it. Okay. Here we go.
only one Apple stick.
Right, this is weird. Okay.
How about if I'm actually recording?
Yeah. Okay, so here we go. English. United Kingdom. Okay, Wi-Fi. Bear with me. It'll take a few minutes.
Let's put the box in.
Me. Oh, it feels so nice.
I did suggest to Shaun to get a case. But
I've got a case, but
Yes.
I don't know if I'm going to use it or not.
as I'm saying, I suggested you get a case, didn't I? I sort of pressed
Yeah.
you for that.
But I haven't got a case for this one. Right, Face ID. Ready? Okay.
Yeah, I would if you didn't move it so quickly.
Sorry. You ready, yeah?
Gotta make sure I'm not in the photo. You can see the IR sensor.
Come on.
It will be useful if it focused on your face.
There we
You go.
Yeah. Okay. First base setting complete. Oh.
Huge board, I'm going to do a selfie on it.
Yep. Ding 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 ding. Okay.
The timer starts now for when I do my first selfie on it.
Right, apparently it's 5 o'clock, but it's really not. But okay. We will.
That should have updated when you connect to Wi-Fi, but okay. You don't have anything else
No.
now.
Apple ID. Right. This is where I need my iPad. It's going to ask for a. I knew we could do that. I forgot about that. agree. This is so strange. Hands are sweaty. We'll do that later. Do that later.
Why do you not want to start for Siri?
I don't use Siri. Well, I don't know on here. I might do on here, but I don't know.
Oh, he's a light.
No, I do go. Okay. No SIM card installed. Okay.
Which we kind of knew was going to happen.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. Let's.
Next thing you tell me, they don't give you a SIM card key.
Yeah. There is one in there. No, there is.
And I'm getting that for you. Sure.
If not,
it is. Just
yeah. I can say. Right. Next question. Which SIM is it?
It'll be a nano SIM.
So the small one.
Yeah. But just double check that
Okay.
first. But I'm pretty sure it'll be a nano SIM. That's almost every other phone is nowadays.
This is iPhone, right?
Oh, so it'll be a unique, one-of-a-kind SIM card slot that means you have to spend an extortionate amount of money on a replacement. In case you can't tell, I'm quite bitter. Quite bitter regarding Apple. Yeah, it's a nano SIM.
That way?
Yeah.
I'm going to put in... Oh, yeah? Is it dual SIM?
Nope, it's not good.
No. Okay, so we can't do what we're going to...
That's an extra another $5,000, that is. I'm still very bitter about Apple.
Will you shut up?
It's probably not the best thing for me to be doing.
No.
An Apple review, but well, it is for you, not for me. I'm supportive.
Okay, there we go. We have signal.
But do we have? Oh, we do have the right time.
Yeah, we do have the right time.
It's in 24 hours as well. Do you like
Okay.
24 hour?
Here we go. This is weird. Okay.
Don't rush your key, for God's sake.
Right, let's... message.
It'd be from O2, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Not that I can use 5G anyway, but okay. Right. There's probably a software update. We're not going to do it now, but...
Finish setting. I'm guessing that's for Siri.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, there's no software update. Okay.
I'm sure Shaun will be trying iOS 14 on Netflix trick thing that the rumour's been going around.
What?
That apparently iOS 14 won't do Netflix. Like, won't show Netflix on video.
No, we tried it with my iPad, didn't we?
Yeah, but I don't think it was. I wouldn't be different for iPhone.
Yeah, okay.
Just curious, 'cause I think it is fake, but
yeah, it probably is
we can
fake.
test it.
Right, should we test the camera? So this has got an ultra wide, a wide, and a telephoto. What's telephoto? Normal.
Pretty far.
Oh, okay. Right. See a video, and we'll use the camera. You filming that as well?
I'm filming the video of us filming ourselves because
Okay.
I can.
Here we go. Hi guys, we are using the iPhone 12 front-facing camera. This is a test. Eric's filming us doing a video.
Yes, because I can.
Because he's weird. Okay. To me, it looks okay. I think that's a picture. Is that a picture? I have no idea what that does. I don't know. Right. Yeah. That's it. Okay. There we go. That's it. I need to transfer my contacts over.
I'm sure Shaun will at some point in the near future take some photos of the rear cameras.
Should we do it
Like I said, in the near future.
Okay.
Bottom right.
What do you mean bottom right?
There we go.
Oh. Okay, so
Should be normal.
that should be normal. So let's
Which
do.
is wide in this case, isn't it?
So let's do the camera. Okay, so this is, and then.
Don't forget they do live photos as well.
Oh, I have to do that.
It automatically does it.
So this is ultra wide. And then this is telephoto.
Can you zoom in any further, perchance?
I go up
How far is
to
the zoom?
10
10
times.
times. Okay.
And I can zoom out. Yeah.
Okay. Now, if you swipe up, you'll see the live view. So you'll see like a few seconds before and after.
What do you mean? What?
As we just told you.
It is like there. Look.
Hmm.
Ultra
Yeah.
wide. Let's hold it.
So you'll see like a few seconds before and after kind of thing.
Okay, that's weird. Okay, right.
It's not a new feature, it's just something that
Yeah.
you probably weren't aware of.
No. And then they do 3D photos on Facebook.
That's like I said, that's not a new feature. I think you're all.
Yeah, but that's only iPhone. Something's only iPhone.
No, it isn't, because I've done it.
No.
So,
So, first thoughts, it's good. I need to obviously download everything and transfer everything.
that's probably going to take you over a day to do, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because you got like Facebook, Twitter,
Well,
and all that I need to do.
I'm
And I
only
hope
gonna-
that the apps you use works on Apple.
Yeah.
As in, that multi-share things, whatever. I don't know what it's called. So you can share to Facebook and Twitter at the same time.
I don't use that anymore.
I don't.
No.
Okay.
I just do it separately. I think it is on here anyway.
Not long now, by the way, for the.
Okay. Right. Right. Okay. I'm not going to ask you what you think because you can say bad thing.
I can give you my quick overview.
Go on then. Oh God.
I think Apple, as a company, have made a poor decision getting rid of the phone charger. Because, like you, for instance, is your first iPhone and he doesn't have a phone charger. He has a iPad charger, but he doesn't have a phone charger. So if you try and charge his iPad, you can't charge his phone.
I do get where you're coming from, and I did think that as well, but
So I think if it was like a micro USB, almost everyone's got one of them.
well,
But
no,
Apple,
not anymore. But
yeah, but I mean like,
do you mean USB-C?
I'm using micro USB because that tends to be 5 volts. With this, if you want to do a quick charge, you have to spend the money to get a quick charge charger. It's the same with our USB-C, but it's a lot more plugs have quick charge capability.
Yeah.
But, so I think it's a silly thing for them doing that, really.
How long's the cable? Probably not very long.
Yeah,
This
it wouldn't
was-
surprise me.
This was rumoured to be a braided cable.
I don't think so. Looks a bit too thin to be braided, but
No, it's not, but it was rumoured to be. No, it's not very long.
think about how much money Apple make getting
Yeah.
replacement things. You just got to hope that whoever bought. Look, it's not even a USB; it's a USB-C. No one really tends to have a USB-C
Yeah.
charger.
Everyone was saying this, that the only people with a USB-C block from Apple are the people that have an iPhone 11.
Yeah.
Because the iPhone 11 was the first phone they shipped with USB-C to Lightning.
Yeah.
And no one's going. Well, not many people are going to upgrade from an iPhone 11 Pro or 11 Pro, are they? So yeah, I do see your point, but
Yeah,
there's nothing we can do.
Yeah, that's just one of the things that's really annoying. And the fact
Well,
is,
they said-
why not go for USB-C on the phone itself?
It was one of the reasons why I weren't gonna get one, but do I ever plug it in? No. I never plug my phone in. Let's check this works.
Yeah.
Yay!
Obviously, it won't be quick charging, but if you're using that, you're not going to be using quick charging, are you? So.
They do MagSafe.
Yeah, that's literally my next question.
Yeah.
Will you be going for it?
Well, I bought the wallet thing that I told you about.
Yes.
With my card in. I'm waiting for a cheaper MagSafe charger. I'm not really prepared to pay 40 quid for a MagSafe charger.
No, you're now an Apple owner. You have to be prepared to spend money.
But Belkin are going to do this 3-in-1 thing. We got a MagSafe charger for the phone, an Apple Watch thing, and an AirPods charger at the bottom. So eventually, when I get
that would be quite useful.
Yeah.
If you have the need for that.
Yeah.
Because some people don't have AirPods, or some people don't have AirPods.
Yeah, and I will have.
I know you have. But
yeah, and eventually I will be getting an Apple Watch, depending if I like the phone or not.
Well, yeah, that's what I mean. It's Shaun. I was surprised Shaun actually said this today. He did say he may not be keeping the phone, which was surprising because I thought you were really hyped up about this phone, and
I'm really excited, but I'm just worried that I'm not going to like it because I've been on Android. I said this in the reaction video. I've been on Android since 2011, maybe 2010, and that's a long time. I remember Luke went to Android. He's been on iOS for ages as well. Yeah. He went to Android once and hated it.
Yeah, I'm guessing it's the change, I think.
Yeah.
But we'll still see.
We'll see how we go.
The main reason you wanted it, wasn't it, so you don't have to remember your password?
Yeah, and everything.
That's the one of the reasons.
Yeah, and everything syncs. I've got all my websites here saved as well. I connect my AirPods to it easily. So yeah, we'll see. I will do a review of it.
I say there will be some in public testing coming up.
Yes.
This weekend. I'll keep it quiet for the moment.
I think I already told them.
Oh, you already told them.
Yeah.
I haven't been kept up with them.
Yeah.
So he's going to Thought Park.
Yeah. So anything I post on Facebook will be from this phone.
As per usual, bear in mind social media will degrade the quality.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna put also while we're there, I'm gonna try and do loads of shots with it as well, and we'll do a whole video. So in the review, I'll show them videos as well.
Yeah.
Right.
Of course, we'll be doing a 1 month later thing or 24. We'll do like a follow-up video.
And we'll just see if I've converted back to the Android.
Yeah.
But at the moment, I'm okay. I quite like it.
Okay. Like I say, there's still a lot of learning needs to be
Yeah.
done at the moment because you are changing over from Android to Apple.
And I can actually use Apple Pay because with Android, Barclays have their own app. With Apple Pay, they don't. So I can use Apple Pay, which is great. So.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Is
that it?
I'd say there are a few other things. It's like there's a lot of features here that they deemed as new, but they're not new. I say, but that's my input. You don't get this anywhere else on YouTube. You don't get someone else. You don't usually get.
You don't get out moaning about Apple.
Yeah, you usually get everyone saying,
stuff.
"Oh, it's a brilliant phone in the world," or you get people saying, "I absolutely hate it," but you never get them both in the same video. So.
Oh, and I forgot to mention LiDAR sensor as well. I don't know what that does, but
it's a
It's an
laser.
Yeah, ultra focus thing. Yeah. So we'll see how we get on. Right, is that it now?
I think that is it.
Right, where's the control?
Wherever you put it, that is.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, which will be a full part vlog that'll be out on Wednesday, and we'll do the review maybe next week, a short 1 week later, and then we'll probably do a few months later as well.
If you've got it.
If I've still got it. Right. See you later, guys.
Bye.